To install the trash can hauler kit on your Ranger 500, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by loosely installing the cross tube on the mainframe using 2 screws. Next, loosely attach 2 side braces to the cross tube using 2 screws and 2 nuts. Continue by torquing all nuts and 2 cross tube screws to specification. After this, put a washer on the mounting hole in the cross tube. Install the hook using screw and nut. Tighten until fully seated. Do not over-tighten. Hook should rotate freely. The hooks can be installed in any open location on the cross tube. Now, install 4 rubber straps onto the hooks. Next, install 3 end caps. To install the vehicle latch receiver, begin by installing a washer and spring onto the stud on the main frame. Once complete, install 2 nylon washers and the latch. Attach using nut. Tighten until the spring is slightly compressed. Then install washers between the latch and main frame. Attach the latch mainframe using screw and nut. Tighten until snug. Do not over-tighten. The latch should be snug, but still move freely. Now install the trash can hauler assembly into the hitch receiver. Next, make sure the latch tab locks onto the receiver. For added safety measures, install the hitch pin and hairpin to lock the trash can hauler in the hitch receiver. To haul trash cans, hook the trash can onto the trash can hauler. Use the rubber straps to keep the trash can on the hooks. To store the trash can hauler, install a screw into the desired storage location. Make sure the screw is installed in a wall stud or similar building framework. Then put the trash can hauler on the screw. Use the hanging storage hole location on the bottom of the mounting tube near the hitch installation location. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.